Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Welcome to yet another video. So very silent expiry. What we have been expiring for the last 2 days is very violent. You know, Bank Nifty was moving very violently yesterday around 700, 800 points, and even Nifty was moving around 100 or 150 or 200 points. But what has happened today is exactly opposite of yesterday and day before yesterday. In fact, Nifty was moving on the upside. It tested around 16,350 levels, but Bank Nifty was very flat. Had you done a straddle, strangle, or any other strategy in Bank Nifty, you would have made good money. Even Iron Fly, you would have made good money, right? So that is sometimes this Bank Nifty gives us some opportunity to trade like this, and we must always use of these opportunities, right? If you are an expert in expiry day trading, let us know what strategy you do, and we will also try to implement those strategies. And so far what I have seen is, right, whenever the expiry is coming, is what people do is they do straddles or they do strangles just one trading session before. Like they enter on Wednesday and maybe they will exit on Thursday. They use the theta decay for their for making profits. That's the objective of doing a expiry day trade. So we have been trading expiry days for a very long time, and I will try to post in next week's video, in next Wednesday, if there is any expiry day trade. We also do some expiry day. What we do is we just try to do some straddles, and we enter straddles on Wednesday evening around maybe afternoon around after 2 o'clock, and we exit on Thursday morning before 10 o'clock or even 11 o'clock. Or if the market is not moving at all, like what Bank Nifty did today, then we will stay with that position and we will try to mint some money, right? That is the objective of doing a expiry day trading. But I will also tell you, there is lots of risk involved in this one. You do a strategy, you do a straddle or you do a strangle on expiry day, just one day before expiry, and if there is a big gap up or gap down, you will be in trouble, because already premiums are very low. And when you do a expiry day trade, and if there is a big gap up or gap down, you will be in trouble. So always do a hedged position, whether it is strangle or straddle. Try to hedge those position, because in case there is a big gap up on the next day, you are not going to be in loss. That is the way you can manage these positions. So that's how we try do expiry day trades, right? So what is the market? And if you see the market, both Bank Nifty and Nifty is on the opposite side. If you see Bank Nifty, there is good amount of the put call ratio is very low. Put call ratio is very low in the sense there are more number of call writers in Bank Nifty. And if you see the Nifty, put call ratio is very high. High in the sense, what is the meaning is that there are more number of put writers in Nifty. Bank Nifty is bearish and Nifty is bullish. This is how things are working here. And I really don't know how to do Nifty be bearish on Bank Nifty and bullish on Nifty. So let's see, markets are market, we cannot do anything about that. We will try to manage our position if thing goes wrong. That is what I am trying to say. And yesterday's video I posted gave an idea that we can skip this month and we will try strategies on next month. Whether you are doing a straddle, strangle or any other strategies, just try on next expiry. And really I have got good comments, and many of you have appreciated that this is a good idea. And I am telling you, because volumes are VIX is very low, but at the same time premiums are also very low, but Nifty and Bank Nifty are making violent move. It is like when it was above 20, VIX was above 20, we would have made strategies and we would have been in profit. Because why? Because the premium was very good. But what is happening now is VIX is very low, premiums are very low, but markets are moving violently. So we'll try to focus our positions on next expiry. That's what I think. And I think there are some people who commented that we are also doing this next month strategies or next month straddles strangles for a long time. So that's a good idea. And if you see the rollover, Nifty 50 has a 10.61% rollover, and this Bank Nifty is having 16.26% rollover. So what is rollover? Rollover means you are shifting your open position to next month. So as today is an expiry, we will see how things pan out for next month. For now, I think market is going to be consolidating only. We were telling yesterday that markets are likely to be in consolidation, and I still believe markets are going to consolidate, and I am taking neutral position. And we took a neutral position in Nifty and Bank Nifty last week. We did a strangle in 16,000 and 16,500 in Nifty, and we did a strangle in Bank Nifty also. Both of them gave us good profit. So that is the trade we have. I am neutral. I am not taking any bearish or bullish call. I am not selling any naked calls or put. So I am trying to do the same this week also. In case market moves, then we will have to manage, right? What else we can do? And if you remember last month we made a loss of around 70k. That 70k is still being recovered. I have another 10 or 15,000 to be recovered from that 70k loss. So this is how market behaves. When you make money, you will make in small quantity, but when you make losses, you make big losses, right? I'm telling it again. When you make money in the market, you make in small quantities, but when you make losses, you make big losses like 70k or 1 lakh, 100k. To recover those losses, you need at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even 1 month to recover those losses. This is how market works. So let me know what you think about your loss, how many days it takes to recover your losses. So for me, like, it takes around 2 or 3 weeks or even 1 month to recover my losses, right? I'm not a Superman, and I will make losses. There is nobody in the market who cannot make any losses and just keep on winning. If somebody tells that, just make sure that there are nobody in this market who makes only profit, right? So that's it for today. I don't think there is much to talk, and there is today evening there is industrial production data and manufacturing data, which will be out by around 5:30 or 6 o'clock, and still now I haven't got any data. And around in US markets, if you see, there is jobless claim data. It will also be issued, will come out around 6 or 6:30 Indian time. So markets are going to react to those data, and we'll see what is going to happen tomorrow. As of now, US futures are flat, European futures are flat, and SGX Nifty is also flat. Yesterday, both FIIs and DIIs have been buyers. I don't know what is going to happen today. Time is only just 6 o'clock and we haven't got any data yet. So hopefully FIIs would have been buyers only, but not in a large quantity, but in a small quantity. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.